morning everyone. We are already learning through this online mode. So proceeding further, our moving towards our today's topic. Before starting, I would like to ask you one question that have you listened the word earthquake? If you can answer, then just raise your hand and we will unmute you. Okay. Who chance to speak, they will give their message in the chat box or answer in the chat box. Okay. Yes, Shreya.
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
You have listened the word earthquake. What
Yes,
you know
teacher.
about the earthquake?
Earthquake is a natural.
Yes.
Miss, I can tell.
Yes, yes, you can tell. Tell me your name first.
My name is Aditya Avinash Nagne from Nyandeep English Medium School, Solapur.
Okay. Solapur. Very good. Yes, tell me your answer, better.
Yes, I have listened the word earthquake. Earthquake, when earthquake comes, uh, there are cracks on the land. सब
Okay.
कुछ हिल जाता है.
In the earthquake. Okay, this is how the earthquake happens. Now, my next question is what will happen if this type of earthquake will take place at the
Ma'am,
bottom
can
of
I
the
say
sea?
definition of earthquake?
Huh?
Can I say definition of
There
earth?
will tsunami.
Yes, you
I
can say
think
better.
so.
Tell me your name first as well as your school name.
Okay, miss. My name is Romi. I'm from Andheri West MPS.
Okay.
An earthquake is the result of sudden releasing of stored energy in the earth crust. They create seismic waves.
Okay. Very nice, beta. You have tried your best to give the answer. Now, moving towards next. So, why I ask you this type of questions that because today we are going to deal with the very important topic of disaster management, volcano and tsunami. Okay, many of you have listened these words volcano and tsunami. So today we are going to deal with the in detail information of volcano and tsunami. Okay, now I will start sharing my screen because you will get a clear idea about the topic by seeing the picture. Okay, so good morning everyone. We are learning through this BMC education channel. You have to go through, if you are having any doubt, you can go through by our YouTube channel. Okay, these videos are already available. Afterwards also, if you are unable to listen me clearly, okay, in that you can listen it again and again if you are having any doubt. So I am from Kulaba Municipal English Upper Primary School. My name is Trupti ma'am and we are going to deal with the science subject. Our topic is disaster management. Okay. Okay. See here. Our topic is disaster management and in that disaster management we are going to deal with subtopics, two topics, volcano and tsunami. If you are having any doubt in between, then you can raise your hand and you can ask me. Okay. Moving towards further. See, these are the major natural hazards we have already seen about the floods, droughts. Here, volcano and tsunami pictures are there. You can get little bit idea about this volcano and tsunami. First of all, we will start from the volcano. See, you can see this picture. One type of mountain is there and you can see the fire or the lava, everything is coming out. What is that? Why this all is happening? Why the volcano occurs? Is there any mistake of human beings or this is a natural process? Why this occurs, that we are going to see in detail. Now from this picture and the heading you can understand what is the meaning of volcano, how this natural disaster happens. See, what is volcano? First of all, we will understand what is volcano and how it occurs. See here, a volcano is a natural event or phenomenon. It's a natural event. It happens naturally. See here, the interior of the earth is very hot. See here, I have shown cross section of the earth that you can get idea about interior part of earth. See, this is the interior part of earth and it is very much hot. Okay. Movement of hot substances continuously occurs. Movement of hot substances continuously occur from the interior towards the surface of the earth. See, this interior part of earth, there are so many movements happens continuously in the interior part of earth, and what happens, it is moving towards the surface of the earth, this upper part layer. Okay. See, suppose we keep tea. If we will keep tea on the gas, then what will happen? After tea will boil, then it will come up. Or if we will keep milk on the gas, then after boiling, it will come upside, means towards the जब भी हमारा पॉट का लेयर होता है वहां तक, and if we keep any substance on that, then it will try to raise it up. Okay, in this manner only this movement of the hot substances occurs continuously in the interior of the earth. As a result, sometimes the solid, liquid, gaseous substances below the earth's crust are pushed towards the crust. See, because of these movements, whatever solid, liquid or the gaseous substances are present in between or in the interior of the earth, that will pushed out. Okay. When these substances come out, Earth's crust means surface of the earth, in an eruption and start flowing. When these substances will come out and it will start flowing, and that flow is called as volcano. From the first one picture which I have shown, see here, all these liquid, solid or gaseous substances are coming out and it is flowing. It is called as the volcano. Okay, have you understood this slide? You can give me thumbs up. Why the volcano occurs? In starting only I told you that we will see why the volcano occurs and how it occurs. See, first question of our is solved that due to the interior movements of which are occurring in the interior of the earth, due to that the solid, liquid or gaseous which are present in the interior of the earth are moving out, and that in the one flow, and that flow is called as a volcano. See here, what are the effects of volcano? Yesterday we already have seen about the effects of what? Which topic we have seen yesterday? And effects and precautions. Anyone can tell me the answer? Aditi, you can tell. Which topics we have seen yesterday?
Floods, lightning.
Lightning, yes, very nice. And effects of flood, lightning, as well as the precautions which we can take. Now today, what are the effects of volcano that we are going to see? Okay. See here, first one is chemical substances such as lava, vapor, hot mud, sulfur, etc. get collected on the surface of the earth, and thereby mountains and hills are created. See how these mountains and hills are created. You can see after the lava will raise up and it will flow like this in a triangular form. Then the mountains or hills are formed or created. Due to, and in that hills, lava, vapor as well as hot mud, sulfur, etc. get collected, and of those substances the hills are created. Okay, the atmosphere gets polluted due to the ash and gases are ejected by the volcano. Ash, okay, gray colored. Then the atmosphere, whenever the all the substances are coming out, at that time too much type of gases are released in the air or in the atmosphere. Then what is happening? The gases which are ejected in the volcano, due to that the atmosphere is getting polluted. Okay, often it rains as a result of a volcanic eruption. As a result of volcanic eruption, it can be rain. Temperature rises due to hot gases. See, if these types of gases are going in the atmosphere, then what will happen? Then the temperature, the pollution, the atmosphere will get polluted as well as temperature will increase. Forests and settlements get buried under the hot mud. Forests and settlements get buried under the hot mud. What will happen if the volcano is there near around the forest? Then the forests and settlements will get buried. Okay. Now, first of all, you will tell me one answer of one question, that what will happen if the gases will release in atmosphere. The question is from this side only. Just you have to find out the answer and tell me what will happen if the gases
Chemicals are spread
release in the atmosphere at the time of volcano. Yes, I want more students to raise your hands and new students to give the answers.
Ma'am, myself for me, maize, when volcano is spread in the atmosphere, there is very virus is spreading.
Virus.
Yes, like टीचर, हमारी बीमारियां बढ़ने लगेगी, खांसी होने लगेगी, सर्दी.
Due to those gases. But instead of virus, I told you, due to the polluted gas or that gas, the atmosphere
They can affect
will get
volcano.
polluted and
The gases will spread in the human settlements, and we can't breathe properly.
Air will get polluted.
Okay, I can understand your answers. Yes, very nice. You have tried. See here, what will happen if the gases will be there due to the volcano? Then atmosphere will get polluted as well as temperature will rise in the atmosphere. Okay, and one more effect is there, that due to that lava, vapor, hot mud, sulfur, the hills are created. Okay, hills and mountains are created. Now, which chemical substances are present in the volcano? Which chemical substances are present in the volcano? This is my second question about volcano. Who can answer? Afterwards, I will explain you these pictures. Yes, beta, you can give your
question
answer
क्या
in
है?
the chat box. See here, these are the gases. Whatever I told you about the gases, this second picture I am showing you, these gases are coming out and spreading in the air. Okay, and in this, the lava which is present inside, it is coming out from the mountains, and in this by this method the volcano happens. Okay, See, here also mountains are created. Here also the gases are releasing in the air. Too much type of smoke is there. Okay. Okay. Moving towards further. Volcanoes eruption. Wait. So many students have given the answer in the chat box. I will check it. See. Okay. Very nice. Volcanoes erupt in the sea as they do on land. See. On the land, earthquakes are happening. In the sea, below the sea also, earthquakes are happening. On the land, volcanoes are there, and due to that, hills are created. Like that only, in the sea also, volcanoes are there. And due to the volcanoes in the sea, what is happening, we will going to see. See here. The same substances that come out during the eruption of a volcano on the land are ejected during the eruption of a volcano in the sea. Same substances are there, chemical substances like lava, sulfur, hot mud, etc. Okay, like that substances are only present in the eruption of volcano in the sea. Okay, and due to these substances, see, on the land the mountains or hills are created, but in the sea the islands are created. Have you understood? I have shown here picture of one island which is created due to the volcano. You can see this picture. If the volcano is there in the sea, if the eruption of volcano occurs in the sea, then the islands are created in the sea. Okay. Moving towards further, video of a volcano I want to show you. See here.
Volcanoes are our most explosive landforms. Able to eject molten rock and clouds of thick ash high into the atmosphere, with devastating consequences. Volcanoes mostly occur along destructive and constructive plate boundaries, where plates are pushed together or dragged apart. Cracks or weaknesses allow magma to rise up from below the Earth's crust. Pressure build.
See, in this video you can see that what is happening actually in the volcano. This is for your reference. Okay. Just so please pay attention, and afterwards there are questions for you. Wait.
Volcanoes are our most explosive landforms. Able to eject molten rock and clouds of thick ash high into the atmosphere, with devastating consequences. Volcanoes mostly occur along forming a cone-shaped volcano. Volcanoes all have the same key structure. A collection of magma underneath the volcano forms a hot, bubbling furnace called the magma chamber. The main vent allows this magma to escape, and is called the crater. It's created after an eruption blows the top off the volcano. Eruptions occur when pressure forces magma from the chamber up the main vent towards the crater. If the ash and mud from a volcanic eruption mix with rainwater or snow, however, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen and carbon dioxide into the air, and volcanic eruptions continue to contribute to the carbon cycle, crucial to life, by releasing carbon dioxide. They can go through long periods of being very active, have become dormant, not erupting for hundreds or thousands of years. And eventually, they can become extinct, just leaving a cone-shaped hill that never erupts again.
Yes, okay. Have you enjoyed this video? You can do thumbs up so that you have get clear idea about how the volcano occurs. Okay? All of you have seen this video? Wait. You have enjoyed the video? Khushbu, you can say anything about video?
Yes, miss.
You have seen this? You have enjoyed this video?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Chalo, thank you so much. Now, moving towards further, our next point, that is tsunami. How the tsunami occurs? See here, T is written and teacher is saying only tsunami because T is silent in this spelling. Okay. See here, I have shown you one picture that you will get idea about the tsunami. This is how the waves are formed in the sea and it are destroying the nearby
Yes.
areas. Okay. Sometimes.
Hello.
Yes.
I have not seen video. You can explain me, please.
Okay. What is your name, beta?
Ajay Gupta.
Ajay Gupta. Beta, that video was related to volcano. So, volcano, why you have not seen the video? Ajay Gupta, why you have not seen the video, beta?
It's because I am blind.
Oh, so sorry, beta. See here, the video was about the volcanic eruption. Okay, how the volcano is happening and what are the movements of interior. The sample video I have shown to the students so that they can get idea. But beta, you can, by listening also you can get idea. See, from the mountain, the lava or everything that is coming out and it is throwing up too much gases are released in that video. Whatever I explained, that video is about that only. Okay. Have you understood, beta? Ajay? Ajay? Madam, please unmute Ajay. Ajay
Miss,
Gupta.
I am not understood.
Not understanding. Okay. See, shall I explain it in Hindi?
Yes.
ओके बेटा, जो भी माउंटेन्स वो क्रिएट होते हैं, जो भी माउंटेन्स के मूवमेंट के ऊपर वाली साइड पे जो भी उनकी मूवमेंट होती है अर्थ के ऊपर वाली साइड पे, तो उन मूवमेंट्स से इंटीरियर में जो भी हलचल होती है, इंटीरियर पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ, वट एवर मूवमेंट्स आर देयर, ड्यू टू दोज the substances, chemical substances which are present in the interior part of the earth that are throwing out. See, suppose we are throwing anything from our house, like that only earth is throwing the hot substances out and the volcano is happens. Okay. And
Okay.
now the reddish color part is coming out and after that when it cools down, then the mountains are created due to that volcano. And I told you that the gases which are releasing in the air, the gases I have shown, nothing more was there in the video. The gases are, too much gases are releasing in the air. Okay. And due to that gases, how the environment is get polluted at the time of volcanic eruption. So, have you understood now?
Yes, miss.
Okay, no doubt, na?
No.
If you are having any doubt, you can ask me in between. Okay. Now, what is your name? Ajay Gupta, and you are from which school, beta?
Miss Sodawala English.
Okay. So very happy to listen that you are attending my lecture. See here. Now moving towards further.
Yes, miss.
As on land, what is a tsunami? As on land, earthquakes are happening. Like that only, volcanic eruptions occur at the bottom of the sea. If an earthquake occurs at the bottom of ocean or sea, the whatever the release substances, whatever energy is released, pushed the water upwards, because in the sea water is there, ocean or sea, and whatever earthquakes or volcanic eruptions are happening bottom of the sea, that push water upside. As a result, the waves are formed. What happens? Due to the volcanic eruption and the earthquakes in the sea, the waves are formed, and those waves are uncontrollable. Those are very big waves. See here, these waves are not very high near the source, but it starts spreading. Near the source, these are not very high, but it starts spreading very fast to long distances. Okay? जो भी ये waves होती है वो near the source, wherever the earthquake is happening or wherever the volcanic eruption is happening, there the waves are not very high, but it starts spreading very fast to a long distance. Okay. Here you can see the destroyment what is happened due to the tsunami. Okay. And those waves are those volcanic eruptions are called as tsunami. See here. What is tsunami? We will actually going to see. And here is the picture, whatever the movements are there at the bottom of the sea and how it pushes the water upside. The velocity of these waves is 800 to 900 km per hour. See, the velocity is 800 to 900 km per hour. When they reach a coastal area, their velocity reduces, but their height is found to have increased tremendously, even to about 30 meters. You can imagine the height when it reached to the coastal area. Velocity is decreased. Velocity, speed is decreased, but the height is very much high. Height is increased about 30 meters. You can understand the height, 30 meters. Such a wave generated by an earthquake or a volcano occurring on the ocean floor is called tsunami. Such wave generated by an earthquake or volcano occurring on the ocean floor, the waves which are generated due to the earthquake or a volcano in the sea or at the ocean floor is called as tsunami. Tsunami is a Japanese word which means harbor waves. Okay. Now what is tsunami? Have you understood till this? How the tsunami is formed and what is tsunami? If you have understood, then you can give me thumbs up. Okay. Yes. Very good. Now moving towards further. Yes, Altamash is giving claps. Okay. Destructive effects of tsunami. What are the destructions? Destructive effects are happening due to tsunami. First one is building and other construction are destroyed. Building and other constructions are destroyed. There is large scale loss of life and financial loss. Boats and ships near the coast get damaged. Everything near the sea, buildings and constructions, everything get damaged. Trees get uprooted. Uprooted, उखड़ जाते हैं. Okay. Landslides take place on the large scale. Okay. Moving towards next. Changes take place in the original land near the coast, giving rise to swamps. Traffic obstructions arise. Large-scale damage is caused to harbors. The business industries related to the sea are adversely affected and a normal day-to-day life is disrupted. See, these are the effects which are happening due to the tsunami. Destructive effects. Now, what are the precautionary measures? When a tsunami wave is formed to an earthquake on the sea floor, it is necessary that an immediate estimate is made of its progress and warning of the danger is issued to the people in the coastal area. See, tsunami waves are not forming near, if they are not forming near the sea, means from the wherever the sea के बाजू में जो भी area है, suppose Gateway of India in our nearby Mumbai, that from the Gateway of India, it is not, if it is not happening near that Gateway of India, but if it happen in the middle of the sea or from the far away from the Gateway of India, then we can use some machines or anything to get warning, okay, so that we can move from the nearby places. So people in the coastal area, they get issue a warning of danger, okay. For this purpose, an artificial geostationary satellite is of great use. So I told you that machines or the satellites which we can use for the warning of tsunami, okay. Only this precautionary measure we can take. Others, we have seen the destructive effects of the tsunami. Now, the video of tsunami is there. So, you can understand it, you can see it. But beta Ajay, for you I am telling it. It is only whatever I explained. Okay? Ajay, you can listen me. This video is only related whatever we have learned about tsunami, how it occurs at the bottom of the sea and how it is destroying the nearby places. Okay? Ajay, you can give me thumbs up beta if you have understood whatever I am saying, and if not, then you can raise your hand. See here. How the waves are coming, waves. These are the nearby area of sea. So many industries are there which are working near the sea, okay, which are about the sea only, okay, which are preparing something from the sea. See here, you can see the wave, too much big wave, how it's spreading. See, it moves in the area. You can see the trees are dumped under the water. Can see the buildings. Okay, have you enjoyed this video? You can give me thumbs up. Yes, very good. Khushbu, you want to say anything beta? You have raised your hand. I have unmuted you. You can say now. Yes? No.
Enjoy video.
Enjoyed. Okay. Now you have got clear idea about the tsunami as well as the volcano. Okay. Now moving towards next, what we have to remember from these.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, Miss.
Yes.
वीडियो में आवाज नहीं आती है।
हाँ, तो मैंने आवाज रखी नहीं है ना। ओके,
अच्छा।
yes, that was just to get your idea about you have to see the movements, what is happening. Okay, now what you have to always remember, हमें क्या याद रखना है due to these disaster management. In this chapter, what we have to keep in mind, regularly whatever we can do, that is in our hand. Otherwise the natural things are natural, that are happening naturally, but how to control the other things which are there in our hand. Okay, regularly cut down trees or branches that are likely to fall. Which trees or branches we have to cut? That are likely to fall and that can cause damage. ऐसे नहीं कि टीचर ने बोला ट्रीज कट करने के लिए, नो, वी हैव टू सेव द ट्रीज, बट द ब्रांचेस विच आर likely to fall and cause damage, which can cause damage, that we have to cut. If you are outside, take shelter in a safer place. If you are outside from the house, then if you have got idea that these types of natural disasters will happen, then we have to take shelter to the safer place. If you are away from home, inform your close and relatives and friends about your exact location. If you are out from the house, or if your elder brother or any elder sister is out from the home, then you should know that wherever they are, okay, then you should know their location. At home, shut the valves of gas regulators and turn off the electric supply. If these types of natural disasters are there, natural major hazards are there, then you have to be careful about your gas regulators as well as electric supply. Make telephone calls to warn your relatives and friends about the probable danger. Tell them to go to a safer place. You can save more lives if you are aware about these natural disasters. Now, get temporary shelter to people. Give temporary shelter to people who are far away from their homes. This is very important, that if the such types of natural hazards are there, then you have to give temporary shelter to people who are far away from their homes. Okay, we can say instead of those people, if the time comes on us, then also we have to give the help, we have to take and give the help of the people. Now see, this is one national institution which is there to control the natural disasters, or see what work is that national institution is doing. United Nations established a standing international organization, that is United Nations Development Program, UNDP, in 1965. When this organization is established in 1965, about 177 nations from all over the UNDP, one of the main functions of this organization is to send equipment, financial aid and also volunteers to the disaster. See what work this UNDP is doing. Equipment, financial aid. This organization is sending equipment, financial aid and also volunteers to take the disaster. In addition, international medical teams and groups of other experts are also sent. In addition, if there is a lot many problems, then this institution or organization is sending international medical teams and groups of other experts also. Okay, so students, have you understood till this? What you have to always remember, that also I told you. If you want to say anything, then I am giving you time. If you are having any doubt, then you can tell me so that I should move further.
Hello,
Yes, yes. What is your name?
Khushbu Gupta.
Yes,
No, miss.
no doubt. You
No.
have understood this about this national institution?
Yes.
Miss,
Okay. Now my question is, what you have to remember if the situation of natural hazards is there?
teacher,
Yes.
regularly cut down trees or branches that are like to fall and cause damage.
Okay. Very good. Now
If
next point. Beta, your name?
My name is Romi, I am from Andheri West MPS school.
Okay. Next
Teacher,
one.
if you are outside, take shelter in a safer place.
Okay. Take shelter as well as give shelter. Okay. Now Harsh Gupta is there. Harsh, you are having any doubt? You are raising your hand. I am unmuting you. Harsh, you are from which school? Tell me your name. Hello. Hello, Harsh.
Hello, miss.
Yes.
Hello, miss.
मैम आपने कौन सी बोला था?
Yes, yes.
मिस मुझे ये नहीं पता.
क्या?
सॉरी, ये मुझे समझा.
ओके, समझा. ओके.
मतलब मुझे मिस ये समझा नहीं क्या बोल.
समझा बोल रही हो, नहीं समझा बोल रहे हो? ओके. चलो, next student. Aditi, you can tell about what you have to remember during the natural hazards.
Miss, I can tell.
Yes, yes.
My name is Aditya Nagne. If we have to remember that at home, shut the valves of gas regulators and turn off the electric supply.
Yes, very good. Beta, you are from which school?
Jnandeep English Medium School from Solapur, Taluka Mangalveda.
Ariva, very good. Okay. Means you have understood till this. Moving towards further, one very important that you should know. 13th October is International Day for Disaster Reduction. Okay. 13th October is International Day for Disaster Reduction. You will remember the date. 13th October, just now passed away. 13th October is International Day for Disaster Reduction. Okay. Now, you have understood everything, whatever I have shown. So, shall I give once revision?
Miss,
Yes.
when अर्थक्वेक और वोल्केनो जब भी सी में वो मिक्स होता है तो वो फॉर्म होता है सुनामी में.
Yes, mix नहीं होता है बेटा वो. Some substances are mixed. Volcano ना. Here at the bottom of the sea ना.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. And then what happens if it come out? Then it pushes the water, and the water waves will turn into the tsunami. Okay, those water waves are called as tsunami. Yes. Next question. If anyone is having doubt, see here. What is volcano? We have seen. What are the effects of a volcano that we have seen? Then these are some pictures which I have shown. These are also the islands are formed due to the volcano. Islands are created. Then this video I have shown. Then I have explained about tsunami, how the tsunami waves are formed, what is the meaning of the tsunami, what is the speed of the tsunami, and when the speed is reduced, the height is increased. Okay. Then this is about destructive effects of a tsunami. Then these are also the destructive effects of tsunami. So many destructions are the effects, destructive effects are getting place, and these are the, ये क्या करता है, ह्यूमन बींग्स का नुकसान करता है, ठीक है. Then precautionary measures are is to be taken only through the geostationary satellite. Okay, next video I have shown, and these are some important points you should remember what you have to do in your day-to-day life. Okay, what you can do in your day-to-day life. Now this is a national institution. I have given you more information about the national institution which is helping during these disasters or natural disasters, and the date which is International Day for the Disaster Reduction. 13th October is known as International Day for Disaster Reduction. Thank you so much. Now you have understood about this,
teacher.
and very good, you have answered. Yes beta, tell me your name first.
Anas,
Anas, from which school?
काजूपाड़ा MPS.
काजूपाड़ा MPS. Okay.
टीचर, मेरे को एक चीज समझ में नहीं आई, जब वोल्केनो पानी के अंदर रहता है तो टीचर वो ठंडा क्यों नहीं होता एकदम से?
बेटा फटाक से ठंडा कैसा होगा? वो ठंडा
फटाक
होगा.
से नहीं टीचर, इतने साल से जब वो पानी के अंदर ही रहता है, एक बार फूटता है ना टीचर वो, तो इतने साल में वो ठंडा क्यों नहीं होता है?
ओके, अभी मुझे एक बात बताओ आप, अगर मैंने एक पॉट में पानी लिया, ओके, और उसके बीच में वो मैंने पॉट टेबल इसके किचन के ऊपर रखा, और अगर मैंने किचन के नीचे कुछ गरम दूध उबाला हुआ रखा, ठीक है, मेरी बात समझ में आ रही है आपको? उबाला हुआ दूध जो मैंने मिल्क बॉईल किया है, दैट बॉइल्ड मिल्क इफ आई केप्ट बिलो द kitchen, and in one pot, suppose matka, okay, in one pot I will keep the, wait, if I will keep water, in between that kitchen is there, okay, if due to that boiled milk the water will get warm, गर्म हो जाएगा क्या वो पानी due to that milk?
No teacher.
No. So why I have given you this type of example? Because see, below the sea the land is there na, under the water.
Yes.
Bottom of the sea, I am using the word continuously, bottom of the sea, and the whatever movements are happening, those are happening at the bottom of the sea, not mixing in the water. Those movements are mixing in the water? No. Then how it will cool down? Then that hot substances are there under the bottom of the sea, and those things are happening in those land or the interior of the earth. It is throwing that bottom को फेंकता है ना वो, ठीक है? See here, it is throwing that bottom. See here.
Yes
And
teacher.
you can see this picture.
Yes,
These
yes.
things are happening here, and it is throwing the water. ऐसे नहीं, वो water में mix ही नहीं हो रहा है ना वो ठंडा होने के लिए, and वो ठंडा होता है, इसकी वजह से तो islands form होते हैं. See,
Yes,
here
teacher.
I have shown the picture of island also. I think so. See here, volcano, and volcano जब भी water में होता है और वो सुनामी वेव जाने के बाद वहां पे आइलैंड फॉर्म होता है ना. If volcano is there, if earthquake is there, then island is not forming. But if volcano is there, then island is forming. Okay.
Yes teacher.
Okay. Means you have understood this.
Yes.
Now any more questions?
No, no.
No. Okay. So
टीचर
yes.
टीचर हर्बिवोरस का मतलब क्या है?
What?
हर्बिवोरस का मतलब क्या है?
Harbor waves.
Yes.
Means big waves. Okay. Which that is the meaning of the Japanese word. The tsunami is a Japanese word. Okay. जैसे कि English, Marathi, Hindi words are there. like that only, and the meaning is told in English that harbor waves means big waves are forming due to this volcano or anything. Now see here, I will stop sharing my screen so you are very much attentive, so that you have asked me the questions and you have understood the topic. Okay, all of you have understood the topic. Your homework is you have to find out one island which is formed due to the volcano. Okay, name of one island that is formed due to the volcano. Okay, yes, you have enjoyed this. Okay, so thank you
Yes,
so much
miss.
everyone.
When you make the payment, sir?
Yes,
Yes,
Diksha.
miss.